In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Dazn app on Android. If you want live sports on your phone, this is quick and straightforward. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. That's the app with the multicolor triangle. Make sure you have a stable internet connection because the download can be a bit larger than a typical utility app. Next, tap the search bar at the top and type Dazn. You should see the official result titled Dazn. Stream live sports. It uses the simple Dazn logo in a square, and the developer is listed as Dazn. Checking the title and developer is a good way to avoid lookalike apps. Go ahead and tap that result to open the app's page. On the app page, tap Install. The Play Store will start downloading the files, then automatically install them. This might take a minute or two depending on your connection and available storage. If you're on mobile data, be mindful of your plan. Wi-Fi is usually best for faster, more reliable downloads. You'll see a progress indicator, and when it finishes, the Install button changes to Open. Tap Open to launch the Dazn app. From here, sign in if you already have a Dazn account, or choose the option to create one right inside the app. Follow the on-screen prompts to set up your profile and select a plan available in your region. Keep your login details secure, and remember that you can always reset your password later if needed. Once you're in, you're ready to watch. Dazn lets you stream live boxing and MMA, catch football matches, and explore other sports covered in your area. You can also watch highlights and replays and dive into on-demand content whenever it fits your schedule. The home screen highlights what's live now. Replays are easy to find, and search helps you jump straight to leagues, fighters, or teams you care about. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. Streaming works best on a solid Wi-Fi connection, and the app will typically update itself through the Play Store so you get the latest features and fixes without doing anything extra. And that's it. You opened the Play Store, searched for Dazn, selected Dazn, stream live sports, installed it, and then opened the app to sign in or create your account. Enjoy the action and happy streaming on Android.